a vibrant salad with delightful hints of fresh, tangy, and sugary goodness. Learn how to make a red, white, and blue spinach salad with this quick and easy guide, brought to you by recipes.net. In a bowl, add the spinach, celery, pear, dried cranberries, and blueberries. Toss lightly to combine, then set aside. In a separate bowl, make the dressing by adding the evaporated milk, lemon juice, salt, ground black pepper, and sugar. Stir to combine. Then, pour it over the salad and toss lightly. Garnish with Parmesan cheese before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.